According to astronomers, there might be remnants of an ancient planet deep within the core of our Earth. An ancient impactor called Theia may have hit Earth to create the moon. New research suggests that the rest of that planet, called Theia, may still be deep within the Earth. Researchers are quite certain that they have gained their favorite satellite, the moon, from a planet called Theia. It is believed that Theia collided with the proto-Earth 4.5 billion years ago. However, they are not certain about the details surrounding Theia's fate. They are questioning whether or not Theia just hit the Earth and moved on, or if the mantles of the two planets merged 4.5 billion years ago. According to the Earth scientists and researchers, there is new evidence to support the hypothesis that both mantles of Theia and Earth merged. But however, they are also indicating that this evidence may also assist them to locate the exact residence of the remnants of Theia's mantle. In comparison to the moon, there is less information known about Theia. The moon is there, we can see it. Persons have visited the moon, and of course, Earth scientists also have samples from the moon. Few people are concerned about Theia. A lot of the work around the giant impact hypothesis involves comparing isotopes found on the moon with those found on Earth. The similarities in composition suggest that the moon is made of a lot of ancient Earth material, meaning that something like a giant impact knocked it off our pale blue dot. Original models estimated that the impactor known as Theia was about the size of Mars, or half the size of our Earth. Although some recent studies suggest that it might have been more like 4 times the size of Mars, or roughly the size of the proto-Earth. Either way, most researchers agree that the core, which is the densest part of Theia, merged with the core of Earth quite quickly after the impact, in a matter of a few hours. This mantle is completely unique and everything is uniformed. About 8% of it is a little different from the rest and forms 2 big piles near the core mantle boundary. These 2 piles are called large low shear velocity provinces, so named because seismic waves called shear waves move about 1 or 2% slower when passing through them, and they are quite huge. One is beneath the African continent and the other is under the Pacific Ocean. Some researchers believe that the large low shear velocity provinces slow down the shear waves because they are higher temperature than the rest of the mantle. Others believe that they are denser and compositionally different in addition to being hotter. It is also believed that in a planetary geochemistry way, the LLSVPs might be related to Theia. As it stands, however, they are still learning about Theia, and the hypothesis is that it merged with Earth and resulted in the formation of the moon. It was also mentioned that the weakest part of this theory was the hypothetical planet Theia. No one has ever found any direct evidence to support its existence. It's totally gone. There's no evidence of it in meteorites, the asteroid belt, or anywhere else in the universe. When it was mentioned, many persons believe that this information and evidence is a little bit hard to take. After the impact, however, Theia may have gone into Earth. It is possible that it went into the Earth and formed the LLSVPs. Attempt to locate Theia. It was first determined that they should do some simple calculations. First, compare the size of the 2 LLSVPs to the size of Mars's mantle, which would lead to a rough estimate of Theia's mantle. It was found that the 2 LLSVPs were 80 to 90% of the size of Mars's mantle. It was further added to that of the moon, and almost a perfect match was discovered. So they no longer believe that this hypothesis is far-fetched. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the comparison and the ongoing search to locate the elusive planet called Theia, which astronomers, earth scientists, and researchers believe may have merged with the planet Earth 4.5 billion years ago, and then may have also led to the creation of our beautiful moon, Luna. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.